Hello, LS102. I am your instructor. My name is Beth West. I'm the distance learning librarian here at Sims Memorial Library, and I've been teaching online for a couple of years now. I hope you don't mind the sound of my voice because you'll be getting to hear a lot of it, because a lot of the ways in which I deliver information in this class are going to be videos where I'm lecturing over a PowerPoint and so you can follow along, or where I'm telling you how to go through something online and you can watch the video and follow along with something we're learning about how to do online. Other than that, you're going to be reading some things from your textbook. If you haven't ordered your textbook yet, go ahead and order it. You can get it cheaper, probably on Amazon or on half.com, or maybe on another website. But if you don't have it yet, that's okay. And don't worry about getting it rushed to you or anything like that. You don't have to pay for priority shipping. If you fall behind in the readings a little bit, that's okay. Just catch up when you get the book, and try to have the book in the next 2 weeks or so, and you'll be fine. Other than readings in the book, we'll be using readings from the internet, from our specific LS102 course materials. You'll be watching videos, you'll be doing discussion boards, and you'll be doing some online activities to help you learn a little bit more actively. If you have any questions through the course of this class, please feel free to email me. You may also call me in my office. Sometimes it's a little bit harder to get through because you might not be able to call me during the time that I'm here. I'm here normally from 8 to 4:30, and during the day I'll maybe am out of my office for 3 or so hours during that time, maybe more, depending on how many meetings I have. If you don't want to email, you don't want to call, you can ask a question in the discussion board. There's a general questions area in the discussion board. Or you can add me to your Gmail chat in Southeastern. It's on the left-hand side of your email when you log in. That can be a really helpful way. If you ever see me online and there's a green dot next to my name, you can ask me a question. So that can be a really easy way for you to get quick, short questions answered and get the answer immediately. This first module is a really short one. It's pretty much an introduction to the course and an introduction to information literacy. Mostly I want you to learn a few things about using the learning management system and pretty much what the course is going to be about. And you have an assignment. It's a library tour assignment, but you don't actually have to come to the library to do it. You just are going to be touring the website. Since this is an online class, we're really mostly worried about how well you do with the website. So I hope that you find this class rewarding and useful for your other classes, and that you learn some skills in here. Sometimes people think that taking an online class can be really easy, but sometimes it can be a pain in the butt, to be honest, because you have to remember to log in, you have to keep track of everything. The burden of keeping up is really on you, rather than coming to class and constantly being reminded of when things are due. It's up to you to check your learning management system and keep up with the work. So sometimes it can be hard if you are unclear about something, when something is due, what you're supposed to do. Feel free to ask me, and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. I don't normally check email at night, so if you are going to be working on something at 8 or 9 o'clock at night and you have a question and you want to email me, then I'm not going to be able to get back to you until the next day. And especially if you email me on a Friday, sometimes I'll check my email once during the weekend, but you may not hear from me until Monday morning. So try to look and make sure that you're understanding things, and get to me when I'm here. If it's something like the midterm or final, something that's really time pressing, then I'll make sure that I'm available more often than just during work hours. And if people are having problems and they seem to only be on at night, then I'll make sure that I'm available then too. But I think that you'll find that this class is not as hard as some of the other ones that you might take in school, but you just have to do your work and gain an understanding of the basics, and you'll probably do fine. Okay? Have a good class, and let me know if you need anything.